What's going on, guys? Welcome to episode 3 of our SEMA 2023 C8 convertible project. We are getting down to the T of parting everything out, as you can see, and we're last doing the door jambs. The hardest part of this project is these silly door jambs on both sides. The way GM decided to do it is they definitely glued the crap out of it. Like when I say they glued it, they glued everything. As you know, the whole Corvette, as it's known for the C7, C5, C8, there's no aluminum in the body panels. They're all plastic. It's fiberglass. That's why it's known for being lighter than the Camaro. So therefore, when this was installed and assembled at the Michigan factory from GM, this was actually all glued on from here and even inside. So in order to get to that, we have to grind it out. But the tool that we've had, let me show you guys a sample. The blade that we decided to use did not work. It is too short. So therefore, our technicians were sent out right now to go get some stuff in regarding better, lengthier tools to reach the glue, because it's not just in here that we took off, but it's actually right in the middle of the door jambs. So very, very tedious job. Lots of skill set, talent, and attention to detail to complete this removal. But we're about 90%. We're only left with the door jambs. And one of the reasons, if you guys are wondering up here why we haven't removed those, because they are very leveling sensitive sensors that we cannot just take off and let laying around. The second we're ready to get to this part, which is the hardtop roof, we're gonna replace it right away, right after we remove the OEM part. So we're ready to go. Therefore, I'm gonna carry this and let you guys know how light this is. This is the entire door jamb. It is super, super, super light. Holy crap. And carbon fiber. This is insane, guys. Also, if you've made it to episode 3 as well guess what? This package is available on our website to sell for both the convertible and the coupe. And yes, you guys are seeing the episode series of the convertible. We're gonna start coupe after we finish this convertible right now, because we do have to send it to get it pro charged right away. So we're a little bit on a time crunch on that. And SEMA's right on the corner. Before you know it, boom, we got LS Fest. And after that, right away, it will be SEMA 2023. So therefore, we gotta get this done. But super excited, guys. Everything has been removed, gutted to the actual bone. Fenders, hood, headlights, front bumper, the quarters, the rear bumper, even the pillars, for crying out loud. The pillars all around the front windshield, the top part, everything has been removed. If you haven't seen a C8, what it looks like without its components, well, this is a great chance for you guys to actually see behind the scenes that we're offering and documenting for you guys. And make sure, if you guys want to see more episodes that we got working for you guys, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and you subscribe to our YouTube channel. We're taking a lot of time to make sure we provide a lot of the footage that not a lot of people get to see. And if you're interested in doing this kind of project, you need to email us as well, because this stuff does take time to manufacture and produce and get it ready for you guys. And yes, we will offer the kit on our website. And if you need that custom service to install it from us, we can also communicate with you and email us, and we'll ship your car right away to our headquarters and start the work, as you can see right here. We're super excited. We're not looking to waste any more time. So if you're looking to make this project happen with us, I challenge you, if you're a carbon fiber enthusiast and you're ready to make this happen, contact us. Let's talk. Let's get to know you. Let's see when you're ready to do this. How long does it take for you to enter this type of work field and regarding the project that we want to do for you, and see what happens from there.